So guys, welcome back. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. So if you take a look at our AUD USD, that's that we are on a downtrend move. Market has literally been giving us that bearish move, right? Now, if you take a look at what market did here, we predicted our AUD USD will sell. This is our prediction for yesterday. We predicted that AUD USD will sell, and it eventually did that. Give us that sell. Now, this is at the low. This is our lower high. Market eventually dropped and gave us a lower low, lower high. Market eventually dropped again and gave us a new lower low. And here comes the lower high. And market has now given us one more lower low. So one thing you should be expecting before you hoping for the sell, especially for trader, you should wait for your lower high. That is your pullback phase, and then open for the selling. So basically, most sell position you expecting for swing traders or position traders, you can still open for the sell and hold your sell. So open for the sell and hold your sell. You'll be expecting more sell throughout next week, by the way.